Welcome. My name is Dina, and this is day 1 of your 7-day Reset and Breathe journey. This series is for all of us over 40 who just want to breathe, reset, and feel at home again in our bodies. No pressure, no performance, just simple movement and breath. So let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position. You can stay here crossed legs. Place your palms on your knees. And if it's accessible to you today, just close your eyes and start focusing on your breath. Inhale through the nose and sigh it out through the mouth. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Inhale through the nose and exhale it out. Inhale and exhale. Gently open your eyes. And now you're going to gently drop your right ear towards your right shoulder using your hand to add a bit of pressure, not too much in here, yeah? We're just stretching all the left side of our neck here. Continue to inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Come back up and let's do the other side. Drop your ear to the left shoulder. Use your hand to add a bit of pressure. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center and we're going to do gentle rolls, forward rolls with our head and neck. Do the movement as easy as possible, as slow as possible. We're just trying to release tension from the back of the neck. And one more. And come back to center. Good. Place your fingertips onto your shoulders now, and we're going to start drawing circles with our elbows. So we start with small circles and maybe make them wider if Josephine will allow it. Yeah? Don't forget to breathe in this pose. And if you've done one direction, let's switch now and go the other way. We're just warming up the shoulders. Good. Shake it out. Release the tension. Now we're going to do some side stretches. So place the right palm beside you. Lift the right arm up. And you can stay here. Try to see if you can open the chest up. The gaze can be up, can be sideways, or if the neck is okay with it, you can gaze towards the left palm. And you stay here. You can stretch the right arm further, maybe lengthening a bit more. One more breath here. And then slowly come back to center. Let's go the other way. Left palm now on the mat, right arm up. And let's stretch all that right side of the torso here. Try to maintain both sit bones on the mat. Maybe extend a bit more the palm. Gaze in front of you or towards the right palm. One more breath here. And then slowly come back to center. Let's twist now to the right. Inhale, extend the chest and just gently rotate it to the right. Look towards the right shoulder if accessible here. 2 more breaths in this position. Try to lengthen with each inhalation and maybe twist a bit more without forcing on the exhalation. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Come back to center. Let's go the other way. Right palm on the left knee, left palm behind you. Inhale, extend, and exhale, twist to the left now. Gaze over the left shoulder. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist a bit more. 1 more breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Come back to center, shake it a bit out. And let's come to our hands and knees here. So we come to all fours. Palms are beneath your shoulders, knees are on the same line with your hips in this position. And we're going to move through some cat and cow poses. Inhale. Flex the back, chin goes up, tailbone goes up. Exhale, push through the hands, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, flex, come up. Exhale, round, chin to chest. And 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. From here, we're going to slowly come up into our first downward facing dog. Keep the palms on the mat, fingers spread in this position. You don't need to ground your heels just of yet, and we're just pedaling the feet. Shaking the head. And then just stop. Raise the right leg up to the sky. Bend the knees and open the hip to the right. Stay here for a breath. And then extend the leg back and try to place the leg in between your arms. Use your hand to help it if needed. Keep the left palm on the mat and raise the right arm up. Gaze towards the right palm if it's accessible to you. 2 more breaths here. Inhale and exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Place the palm down to the mat and slowly come back into downward facing dog. Shake it up for a bit. And on the next inhalation, raise the left leg up now. Bend the knee and open the hip to the left. Feel how the entire side body stretches in this pose. 1 more breath here. Extend the leg and then place the feet in between your palms. Let the right palm on the mat and raise the left palm up. Gaze towards the left palm. The back leg is straight. And just feel here for 2 more breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Place the palm onto the mat and then send the back leg back. And start shaking the legs, shaking the head. From here we're going to come into plank, our plank position here. And we're going to maintain this plank for 5 breaths. You can always lower the knees if you like, or you can keep it up. 3 more breaths in this position. Inhale, core is strong. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And 1 more. Inhale, I know you can do it. Exhale. Lower the knees to your mat if they aren't there already. Lower the knee, the chest and the chin to the mat and then slide your torso forward. We come into our Sphinx pose. Put your forearms on the mat. Legs are apart, hip distance apart, and gaze forward. See if you can slide your chest in between your arms here and just look in front of you. Do not force. 2 more breaths here. One more. Good. Make a pillow with your forearms now. Place the forehead on that pillow, bend your knees and let your feet drop from side to side, releasing any tension that we've just created. And when you're ready, stop and let's come onto our backs. Soles of the feet on the mat. See if you can brush your heels with your longest finger. Feet are hip-width distance apart, and on the next inhalation we're going to gently lift our pelvis up for bridge pose. We just lift a few inches of the mat for now and stay here. Two more breaths. One more. And then gently come back down. Let your feet and your knees drop from side to side. And we're going to repeat this pose. Come back to position. Check your stance. And then on the next inhalation, we're going to lift lower back, middle back, upper back, maybe a bit higher than last time. And maybe you can try to interlace the fingers, make a fist with your palms, and just roll your shoulders beneath you. This way, lifting higher on this occasion. 3 more breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back down, slowly releasing upper back, middle back. Tuck your pelvis and just lower all the way down. Make a fist. Widen the stance of your feet and just let the knees drop from side to side here. Now extend the legs. Bring the right leg to your chest, hug it. And then see if you can roll your leg over the left, drawing the knee to the side, opening the right arm, gazing towards the right arm for a twist here. You may choose to close your eyes for a second and just feel. Two more breaths here. And then come back to center. Hug your knee once more, extend it. And hug your left knee now to your chest, just for a breath here. And then release your leg to the side, opening the left palm now, gazing towards the left palm for an easy twist. You may choose to close your eyes here. Slowly come back to center. Hug now both knees into your chest. And then slowly come up and find a comfortable seated position. When you've reached here, close your eyes and just feel. Feel your breath. Feel your body. How does it feel right now? And when you're ready, gently opening your eyes. You moved, you breathe. That was enough for today. I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today.